Welcome to Spanish 101. My name is Ellen Bunker-Lopez, or La Hermana Bunker-Lopez. I look forward to this semester with you at BYU, Idaho, and learning together. And learning a language is always fun and exciting, and I'm grateful for the chance to be a part of your experience. Just a little bit about myself. I am pictured right here, and this is my husband. So this is the Bunker part, and this is the Lopez part. I am from New Hampshire originally, and when I was 9 we moved to New York, so often I just claim New York, but all my relatives are still in New Hampshire. So a little bit about myself. My background educationally, I studied at BYU, Idaho, back when it was Rick's for a year. I studied Russian and Spanish there, and then went to BYU Provo, where I graduated with a double major in Spanish and Russian, and then I did serve a Russian-speaking mission in Rostov-na-Don. And then I went on to graduate school at Ohio State University, where I specialized in Slavic linguistics, but most of our linguistics courses, or a lot of them, were just from the straight linguistics department. So we took general courses and specialized in linguistics, so I have a strong background in that area. A little bit about just things I like to do. Me gusta correr, aprender y ser creativa. In English, we like to say run, learn, and be creative, if we want to go that route. These obviously are not me, but things, pictures of things I like to do and places I like to be, the parks and reading books and getting messy. And usually, currently, I get messy with these 3 little ones. These are my children. This is Katia, the oldest, she's 6. Ana, she's 4. And this is our little Andresito, who's 2 years old. En el presente estamos en la ciudad de New York. We're here in New York City. We've been here for about almost 12 years now, and just having lots of fun. There's always something to do or someplace to go and somebody to speak to from some other country, and lots of chances to practice whatever language you want to study, and especially Spanish. So come visit. You can speak with Mexicans, Dominicans, Ecuadorians, anyone from anywhere around the world. They're here. So it's a great thing about living here. But a little bit about what we'll do together. We just have to say that this is going to be a whole new experience for you. Those that haven't spoken much Spanish before or studied much Spanish, that this will open a whole new world for you. I feel like languages often are the opportunity to look at the world through another window that maybe we didn't have before, and to understand a culture in a different way than when we were kind of looking at it from the outside. We get to come inside the culture when we learn the language and see things from their perspective in a way that we couldn't. We couldn't really speak to them or hear things in the original language that were written or sung. And so what can you get excited about? What exactly are we going to do? We are going to learn, of course, basic phrases to get to know people, how to talk about things in the present tense on a wide variety of topics, and how to ask questions of our classmates so we can practice. And of course, I hope you're also reaching out to the people in your community that speak Spanish. Spanish speakers are so wonderful about engaging with anybody who's trying to learn the language. They are welcoming and kind and forgiving of our accents and our errors, and will just, let you practice on them. They're wonderful. We'll explore the wonderful culture of the diverse countries that speak Spanish all around the world. They share the language, but there's a lot of unique things about each of their cultures, and that way it truly does open a whole new world for you and for us. So long-term benefits, I always throw this out there to my students because, there's more than just the present to learning the language. There's long-term benefits for all of us. More job opportunities, of course. We all know that. The more languages you speak, the more valuable you are usually in the workplace. More opportunities for advancement or for different things you might have not been able to do. Chances to reach a wider audience, whether that's at church, whether that's in your community, whether it's, through, marketing as some business or lots of different areas. Travel, way more fun when you can speak the language and get around and understand what's going on. And this is a lovely side effect to being bilingual. It delays the onset of dementia or Alzheimer's. Just have to throw that out there. And of course, you get to meet awesome people in your Spanish 101 class, which is another long-term benefit, because hopefully you form some wonderful friendships here as we share together this semester. And if none of those have intrigued you enough, at least you can say that by taking this class, you're one step closer to graduation. So that being said, I'm really excited to share this semester with you and hope we have a wonderful time. Any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. I would love to hear more about you. Please you don't have to screencast anything to let me know a little bit more about you. I'd love to hear from you. And we'll be talking to you soon. Please check for announcements for me. Thanks. Bye. Adios.